What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Byron from Brawl Stars. Let's start in the center of our page with the glasses. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, move over towards the left side, we're going to draw a small circle. Starting from the top, so we go all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's bring that down to the same height, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll connect the inside of the circles with a curve. Starting on the left, go up, and then bend that down. Now from the top of the circle, we're going to draw a straight line going out towards the sides. Come down with a short line. And we'll pull that back in towards the glasses. Let's fill those two areas in black. Let's draw the bottom edge of the nose in between the glasses. So in the center, we're going to step down, start with a point. From here, we're going to curve out and up towards the left and right side. Now the eyes are going to get tucked in behind the glasses. Let's leave a gap in the center, draw 2 points. One on the left and then one on the right. Now from the left side, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to curve the eye coming down and out in behind the glasses. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the eye going out, down, and then in. Let's add 2 thin pupils along the inside, starting on the top left, angle down and in on top of the glasses, and then just angle up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down, and then back up, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, we'll start with a straight angled line going up and out. So line this up on the right. And then from the inside, we're going to angle up and in with a short line. We'll connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. And then again, we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's go back to the tip of the nose. We're going to step down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left, curve up, and then down. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move out and draw the inside edge of the beard. From the outside edge of the left eye, we're going to step out, we're going to curve down, and then just pull that in underneath the eye. So line this up on the right, come down, and then bend that in. And then from the inside, we're going to draw a straight angle line, coming down and in towards the chin. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Now let's draw on the outside of the beard. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a straight line, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Line this up on the right side. And then from here, we're going to curve down and in towards the center point. Let's start back on the left. Go down, and then bend that in, go out, and up. Let's add some lines along the side of the beard. We're going to start on the left, curve up, and bend that in, go to the right. We'll add one more line on the inside. Stepping in, draw a shorter line, going up and in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting back on the left, curve the head going up, and then in. Go to the right, and then we'll just line this up along the top. Let's curve the hairline coming in towards the center. Start back on the left, come in, and then bend that down in the middle. And then from the center, we're going to curve up and out toward the top of the head. Let's start with the left. Go up, and then bend that out. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now we're going to connect the top with a curve. We'll go up, and bend that back down. Let's move back down and draw a curve going up and out toward the side of the head. And then from here, we're just going to curve this up and then in toward that bottom point. And now we're going to draw on the side of the head. Starting back on the left, curve the head going out and then down. And then from here, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's tuck the ears along the side. From the left, we're going to step up, curve the ear going out, down, and then in. And then we'll add a fold inside the ear, starting back on the left, curve up and out. Let's add 2 sets of stripes on the side of the head, starting from the outside point, come in, and then bend that down, step down, and then draw that twice. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill that stripe in black. Let's add 1 more thick stripe along the bottom. Stepping down, just follow that same curve. I'm going to step all the way down towards the bottom, draw that same curve again. And we'll fill that bottom stripe in black. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. Leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side. Curve the coat coming down, and then out towards the left. Go over towards the right, come down, and bend that out towards the right. And now we're going to work our way back up along the outside of the collar. Starting back on the left, let's taper this up to right about there. And then from here, we draw a short angle line going up and in. And then from here, we'll curve the collar going up and then out. Let's close off the outside of the collar. On the left, curve up and in behind the head. Let's draw the side of the body. From the bottom, we're going to step up, curve in, and then up, just underneath the collar. Let's go in and add some detail to the body. We'll start in the center, underneath the chin, angle down and out toward the left and right side. And I'll draw in the tie. Stepping in, draw 2 short angled lines coming in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from those bottom corners, angle down and out towards the side, and I'll pull this up and in towards the center point. Let's draw a line coming down the center of the vest. Underneath the tie, come down, go out toward the left and right side, angle up and out underneath the jacket. And then from the bottom corners of the vest, we're going to curve the buckle, coming down and then bending that in towards the middle. Let's go to the side of the buckle, curve out and then up. Now we're going to continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. From the buckle, let's step down, draw a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, curve up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap on the inside. Now we're going to move up and draw the outside of the leg. From the bottom of the coat, let's step up, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Now we want to wrap the back of the coat in behind the legs. Let's start back on the left, curve down and then in towards the side. And then we'll continue in between the legs, going down and then up. Let's go halfway down the length of the leg, starting from the outside, curve the boot, coming down and then up. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add a buckle along the side. Starting halfway along this curve, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll follow that same curve going out and then up towards the side. Let's move back up and draw on the left arm. We'll start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle with the thumb. At the end, let's add a bracket. And then we'll add 3 fingers, starting from the bottom of the thumb, and come down, just pull that up around the bracket, step down, go out, and then up. And then the third finger, go out, round out the arm, and then pull that up underneath the head. And we'll add in the sleeve, starting from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then out, step up, and just follow that same curve coming back in. Let's add a ring across the index finger, starting from the bottom of the bracket, curve down, and then up, go back to the inside, curve down, and then out. Now we move over and draw the right arm holding the staff. Let's start from the top of the collar, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll curl the thumb, going up, and then down, round out the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's add the edge of the palm, curve down, and then in. Let's add 3 fingers on the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back in. And then we'll layer 2 more fingers underneath. Starting from the bottom, go out, in, and then up, and then we'll do that one more time. Now with the thumb and fingers in place, we're going to draw the staff in behind. Let's start from the top of the thumb, draw a straight line going up, go on top of the fingers, draw another line, close off the top with a straight line. Now we're going to continue these lines underneath the finger and the thumb. Start underneath the thumb, come all the way down towards the bottom, go underneath the fingers. Now we're going to taper this, coming down and then in. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's close off the bottom with a half circle, coming down and then up, step up and draw another line. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the staff. From the top corner, I'm just going to draw a bracket, going out and then in, close off the top with a straight line, and we're going to do that again, going out and in, and we'll close this off. And from the outside, we're going to curve this out and then up on the side, curve up and then in towards the center point. Let's add a curve along the bottom, starting back on the left, come down and then up, and we'll add 2 fangs on either side, leaving a gap in the center, and go down and then back up. And then along the top, we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw an angled line going up towards the left and right side. Let's move back and finish off the arm. We're going to start from the wrist, curve the wrist going in, and then back out in behind the staff, step back in, curve the arm coming in, and then up behind the body. And then we'll add a thick cuff like we did on the left. Stepping in, just follow the same curve going all the way down. Let's draw the backpack in behind the body. We're going to start underneath the chin on the left, curve out, and then down in behind the arm. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down. Now come down underneath the arm, come down and then in behind the body. Line this up on the right, come down and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's Byron from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.